Bitcoin price. Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies slumped after the People's Bank of China conveyed a statement reiterating that digital conveyed a statement tokens cannot be used as a form of payment. The largest token fell below 40,000 for the first time since early February, dropping as much as 10% to $38.973 on Wednesday and continuing a week-long slide sparked by Elon Musk's buyback and further comments on Tesla incomes. Holding of the coin, either Dogecoin and last week's sensation internet computer also reiterated. This is the latest chapter of China's tightening the nose around cryptos, said Anthony Tran, chief managing partner and co-founder of Nexo in London, a crypto lender. Virtual currencies should not and cannot be used in the market because they are not real currencies, according to a notice posted on the PBOC's official WeChat account. Financial and payments institutions are not allowed to price products or services with virtual currency. The notice said the statement does not have any new regulatory steps, according to you. Linggu, a vice director at the China Development Institute think tank in Shenzhen. The notice was conveyed by the central bank but compiled by industry associations rather than government officials, making it less powerful, according to Liu Yang, a lawyer at Beijing-based law firm Deheng Law officers. They just want caution, said Bobby Lee, founder and chief executive officer of crypto storage provider Ballet. They feel the market is overhyped. There is speculative trading. They are looking out for the best interest of the people. Beijing since 2017 has abolished initial coin offerings and clamped down on virtual currency trading within its borders, forcing many exchange overseas. The country was once home to about 90% of trades, but the lion's share of mining and major players have since fled abroad. China has recently taken steps to issue its own digital yuan, seeking to replace cash and maintain control over a payment landscape that has become increasingly dominated by technology companies not regulated like banks. It's no surprise to me as Chinese capital control can be challenged by cryptocurrency purchases in the country and transfer out of the country, said Adam Reynolds, CEO of ASPCAC and Saxo Markets. So avoiding use of them in the country is essential to maintaining capital controls. The only tolerable digital currency to a government with strong capital controlling their own CBDC. Many characterists and technical analysts are looking at Bitcoin's 14-day relative strength index, which entered oversold levels Tuesday, as well as the 200-day moving average around $39,800. Breaching the 200 DMA could mean it drops to $30,000 with its previously found support. Read more. For Stephanie Auletti, chief executive and co-founder of FRNT Financial, the moves have more to do with Musk's recent tweets about Bitcoin. Tesla entrance into this space saw some of the most aggressive BTC buying I have personally ever seen, and it has to unwind. Auletti said the EV makers' retraction that it will accept Bitcoin as payment was the catalyst that accelerated the spread consolidation. Then, over the weekend, little comments here and there have continued to confuse. He said, meanwhile, the latest Bank of America fund manager survey showed that long Bitcoin is the most crowded trade in the world right now. The pool captures 194 fund managers with $592 billion worth of assets under management overall. When an asset becomes the most crowded trade in the BUFA survey, it has frequently signaled a near-term pullback in the past, said Matt Maley, chief market strategist for Meller Tabak Plus Co. When you combine this with the news out of China, it is not a surprise that Bitcoin is seeing some more weakness. More on crypto. Bitcoin plunge vibes 500 billion from value in crypto road. Do you with assistance by Catherine Greyfield, Kenneth Sexton, Ewingley, and Nesreen Saria. Obst from financial plumbing to repo market, subscribe today and keep up with the newest markets crazes with Joe Vaginantial and Trace Alloway.